All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're talking about something called Agent Medic. So what is it? Well, it's an AI debugging assistant that's built to solve a very specific, and let's be honest, a very frustrating kind of developer headache.
You know, if you're an AI developer, you have definitely been here, right? You spend hours, maybe even days building your app. You hit run, and boom, no errors, no crashes, it feels like a success. But then, you start to notice something's a little off. The model isn't quite doing what you told it to. The code runs fine, technically speaking, but it's just not behaving the way it's supposed to.
So this is where we really get to the heart of the problem. We're talking about AI behavior bugs. And this is the stuff that your traditional debugger just completely misses. You know what I'm talking about, right? The model just flat out ignores the constraints you so carefully wrote into your prompt, or maybe your agent just decides to skip a tool it was supposed to use, or, and this one's a classic, your RAG pipeline is pulling in just total junk, noisy and irrelevant stuff. These are those quiet, maddening failures that can make you want to pull your hair out.
And here's the thing, right? Your standard debugger, it's just not built for this. It's not a syntax problem we're solving here, it's a behavior problem. It's about logic. So what you really need isn't just another tool. You need a specialist. You need a medic, someone who can come in, diagnose what's going on, and treat that unpredictable AI behavior.
And that, of course, is exactly where Agent Medic comes in. I mean, this is its whole reason for being. It's an AI debugging assistant designed specifically for these weird AI application failures. Its one job? To help you fix those broken prompts, those agents that are going rogue, those tools that aren't firing, and those messy RAG pipelines.
And look, this is a tool built by developers for developers. So whether you're an indie hacker burning the midnight oil or a founder trying to ship fast, it doesn't matter. It also doesn't matter what your stack is. You could be using OpenAI, Gemini, Groq, Anthropic. Maybe you're all in on a framework like LangChain. Agent Medic is designed to just slot right into your workflow without any fuss.
Okay, so how does it actually work? Well, the whole workflow is designed to be super simple and fast. Seriously, step one, you just paste in whatever you've got, your code, your prompts, maybe some logs, or the weird outputs you're getting. Step two, you tell it what kind of issue you think you have. Is it a prompt thing, a RAG issue, tool calling? And then step three, you just click Fix My AI App. That's literally it. And this really gets to the core philosophy behind the whole thing. It's this idea of stop shipping blind. See, it's not just about slapping a Band-Aid on the problem and calling it a day. It's about really, truly understanding why your AI failed in the first place. Because once you know that, you can start building much more robust, much more reliable apps down the road. Now, this is where the magic really happens. The power of Agent Medic is what it gives you back. It is so much more than just a quick fix. I mean, yeah, you get a corrected version of your code or prompt, which is great, but you also get a full root cause analysis. It tells you the core reason for the failure. You get a clear explanation of why the AI did what it did. You even get an improved best practice version to help you learn and prevent it from happening again. And on top of all that, a debugging checklist with concrete next steps. Everything you get is immediately actionable. So what this all adds up to is a system that's built for speed. It's all about rapid iteration. You're in this really simple, tight feedback loop. You debug, you get a result, you provide feedback. There's a lightweight history view so you can easily track what you've tried, and you can just power through multiple AI bugs in one single focused session. No more context switching all day.
And this really is the ultimate goal, the big takeaway. At the end of the day, you don't just walk away with an app that works. You walk away with actual insight. Your app is finally fixed, and you know exactly why it was broken. And that knowledge, that's the real power here. That's the game changer.
So look, if you're tired of chasing down those weird, silent AI bugs, if you're ready to finally stop shipping blind, then there's really only one thing left to do. It's time to go fix your AI app.